Hi dear friends, dear UPSC aspirants, welcome to Gallant IAS. And this is our CHAKDE Mains 2022 program. A very comprehensive answer writing test series mentorship program for all UPSC aspirants appearing 2022 mains and 2023 mains. It covers everything related to your mains, right from the very basics of answer writing to the very advanced, how to write an advanced answer to score very well in your mains papers. It covers all GS papers and your ESA. Yes, and you have the opportunity to customize your answer writing and your test series according to your preparation schedule and get the support of the entire team of mentors, the expert mentors in every topic of your GS papers. What are the problems you have in mains? Sometimes understanding the question is a problem for you, the meaning of the question in totality. Sometimes understanding the meaning of directives is a problem for you. Brainstorming an answer, framing an outline of an answer is a problem for you. Or limiting your philosophies in various answers, that is again a problem. Where to limit the philosophies and imaginations of yours when it comes to answer writing, that is also a problem for you. Structuring of an answer, how to write an intro, body and conclusion, it's a problem for you. Recalling the core points which you already learned while writing an answer spontaneously, that is a problem for you. Introducing an answer or winding up an answer, how to conclude an answer, that's a problem for you. How to approach opinion-based questions, fact-based questions, analytical questions, critically analysis, how to approach these different sorts of questions, that's a problem for you. Time management, how to write an answer, 150 words answer in just 6 minutes or 7 minutes, that's a problem for you. How to write a well-structured, lucid answer according to demand of a question in a time-bound manner is a problem for you. Okay, and how to improvise, how to improve upon the feedback of your mentors, that's a problem for you. Or how to balance the static and dynamic concepts in an answer, that's a problem for you. Or how to handle the dynamic answers in static questions, that's a problem for you. And how to improve in relation to presentation, structuring and content building, that's a problem for you. So our CHAKDE Mains is the total solution, it's the complete solution to all these problems. Okay, this is the solution to all these problems you face in mains answer writing. And this CHAKDE Mains has 3 bells. Bell 1, that is a notification, that is an alert in an examination. When you go for an exam, yes, before the exam you get to 3 bells. First bell, that is a warning, that is an alert, a notification that at 9:30 or 10 whatever the exam is going to start. Okay, be prepared for that. The second bell, yes, that's the actual warning. That's the actual warning that you have to enter into the examination hall. You have to keep your books, your mobiles, everything outside. Then third bell, your exam starts. Okay, and the same way we have 3 bells. First bell is an alert round, second is warning round, and third is the final call for exam. Okay, that way we structure this CHAKDE Mains test series program. Yeah, in the first bell, you get 30 tests, daily answer writing, 30 tests are there. And it is not necessary you have to prepare thoroughly, then you go for answer. No, it is to check your spontaneity, your presentation skill, your analytical skills, or how you frame an answer instantly, to check all those your answer writing skills and to inculcate basic qualities of answer writing. Yes, we set the first bell where you have to write n number of answers in different subjects, in different GS 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, you have different subjects and you get n number of answer writing in each subject, each topic, which will test your spontaneity, your answer writing skill, your presentation skill, your how you present the concepts, how you balance these opinion based questions. So all those things are tested here. Okay, it's an alert round. Okay, now also in the first bell you will get plenty of answer writings and feedback, plus how to approach the answer writing sessions, or how to master an answer, or how to improve your answer writings and how to enhance your scoring in answers. All such strategy sessions, guidance sessions will be provided by your personal mentors. Second bell is warning. Okay, in a time constrained manner, Okay, in an actual exam mode, actual exam environment, you will get a section-wise test. Okay, you have to prepare very well. History, geography, society, polity, governance, constitution, international relations or social justice, economy, or it is internal security or ethics. Okay, in a time constrained manner. Okay, we will set to the questions and you have to prepare thoroughly. You have to attempt that section-wise test. Okay, now the third round is, that is the final call. That is the actual exam, the exam you are going to give on the D-Day. In the same atmosphere, you will give the final complete test, full length test, including your qualifying papers. Qualifying papers will be there, GS papers will be there, and the full-fledged test will be given in the final rounds. Okay, so this is the 3 months program, and it will help you to start right from the very scratches. Even though you don't know any basics of answer writing, if you don't know anything about answer writing, doesn't matter. This program is basically meant for, yes, it's building your answer writing skills, or it is to master you in answer writing right from the scratches, right from the basics. Okay, these are the 3 bells, and actually these 3 months are crucial for you. Don't ever wait till your results are out. Whether you are in or out, you have to start from now onwards. On 15th, we will start this program. Okay, from the regular individual answer writing, we will start the program, and these 3 months are crucial for you. Yes, how you utilize these 3 months, that will define your future in UPSC. Okay, so you are in or out, doesn't matter. Okay, these 3 months utilize very wisely. Give this answer writing, n number of answer writings, get the feedback and try to improve upon the feedback. Okay, in every answers in relation to presentation, content or structuring of answers, understanding the question demands, okay, balancing an answer in all, or approaching opinion based, fact based questions, static and dynamic answers. In all aspects, you have to build up your perspectives. You have to master the art of answering, the art of writing perfect answers or scoring answers. You have to master it, for which this program will help you a lot, and these 3 months are crucial. Utilize it very well, and for knowing more about our programs, you can contact our office, and we are happy to share you the details regarding this. So this program is not only meant for aspirants appearing this year, this program is also meant for those aspirants who are afraid of answer writing, or who have no idea about answer writing, and this will also give you, it will help you to enrich yourselves with many value addition sessions or content enrichment. So many other programs are also, many class programs are also associated with this, both online offline facilities, and it is highly customizable. Okay, so all the best to all aspirants appearing this year, next year for mains. So this program will definitely help you, and this is one of the innovative initiative by team Gallant IAS. Thank you.